Now is Raghav Jha from SGND Khalsa College. Now he'll be joining Academy, Officers Training Academy in December. He has got the joining letter. So he is one person whose example we give again and again for the sheer determination that he had, and coming from an army background and proving himself and finally entering the academy. That's an example in itself. He has been a source of motivation for a lot of students from SGNT Khalsa College and other students also. Apart from that, today you'll find there are two more people who are standing in front of you. I'll tell them to come up in front. Okay. So, both these students, they are presently in NDA and they are in 6th term, final term. They have completed their 5 terms in academy. They are from NDA 142 course. And they have been our old students. One is Sparsh Kankane. He is All India rank 1 in NDA 142 entry. Okay. So he has been the topper in NDA 142. As well as we have got Preet Kundu. He is again his course mate. He is from Rashtra Middle School, Bangalore. Sparsh is from Rashtra Middle School, Dholpur. And they have been doing exemplary well in the academy. So basically we today the aim is to make you interact with these guys so that you get to know that it's not something extraordinary that you need to do in order to get your dreams come true. It's all about doing the things in the right way. Doing the things in the right way. Okay. So they are the live examples. They'll tell you what they have done, what is their experiences, that what it should be on the basis of their so-called experiences, as well as you can ask related to the life in academy also. They are the two examples. They are going to be in academy and they are already spent more than 2 years in academy. Okay, so let's give a big hand to them. To honor him by the cap.
Yes.
And I'll tell Saurav
Yes, sir.
to give the cap to Preet Kundu. So that most beautiful thing about this academy is that it's Georgians Academy. So they are basically Georgians at the same time. The people who join our Georgians Academy, even if they were not Georgians earlier, they become Georgians.
That is true, sir.
So we make the Georgians family bigger by making them feel what Georgians is all about, what this word means, and people get to know about what this word values for. Okay. So any type of question that you want to ask him, first I'll tell Sparsh to share his experiences. Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that when I came to this place, I was also just like you. Like, I've been through this journey of a defense aspirant, and at this time you are very uncertain about your future, and you feel that there are so many people in tough competition, so less seats. But at the end of the day, it's your efforts that will count. And first thing is you need to have faith on yourself. Means if at any point of time you start doubting yourself, then obviously the other person, they will be the first one to doubt you. So first thing is that whatever you are doing, just have faith on it. And second thing, do not keep your standards low. Means most of the people, even when I was preparing, so they used to just suggest me to cross the benchmark that we call cutoff. So if during the preparation itself, if you are going for the cutoff, it might happen that on the final day, you might slip below. So in that case, it is not just an exam, you lose your 6 months. You'll have to wait for your next attempt, again that much of hard work. So it's better that you aim higher, so that even if you slip, then also you should be able to cross the bare minimum anyhow. Means, telling from my personal example, like at the end of my 11th, I had appeared for this NDA exam, and at that time also I could clear it. But at that time I realized if I could clear this exam without preparing, then definitely the next exam in which I actually have to join, then I should go for higher. So that is how that preparatory phase, it certainly led to gradual progress, and eventually I landed up where you know. And more than this, it doesn't happen that you can clear in your first attempt. Like I know people who are getting recommended in their 10th attempt. So they are definitely, they have struggled more than me and they deserve to be at that place more than me. So it might happen that in this rush you may not be recognized, but that doesn't mean that you do not have that capability. So even if you do not get recommended in your first attempt, have faith on yourself, keep on preparing. And I know my seniors who are clearing it in 10th attempt, last attempt. So that is, I was also surprised, but I know that they were the deserving ones. They should have got recommended in the first attempt, but never mind, they didn't and they cleared it later. But you should keep trying. And at the end, I would just say all the best to you. If anyone of you has any query later also, you can definitely get in touch with me. Thank you.
Now it's the turn of Kundu.
Good afternoon everyone. I am cadet Preet of Delta 142 course in National Defence Academy. I am 2019 pass out from Rashtriya Military School, Bangalore. With Sparsh I came to this academy, and as he told, it is the same. We were just like defence aspirants. We were every time thinking that we would make it or not. Due to the very less selection rate, we were very uncertain about our future, just as many people are. But sir also told the same thing, and many of my senior officers from my school who are there, they told me one thing which is very important, that if you want to become something, if you aren't that at this moment of time, then you should act like that. If you want to become officers, you should start behaving like officers. Means you should inculcate very minute things such as punctuality. You should take away carelessness from your attitude. That lackadaisical attitude should not be there. When I was in this academy, many times I got late and sir used to scold me that your house is here 5 minutes away, still you are not punctual, and the guys from PG, they are coming on time. So that thing hit me, and I tried to improve. And these are little things that will pay you off in the future. And there is one myth in the academy that I got to know, I got it cleared out, that you might think that only elite people get selected to these institutions. I have seen my course mates, that is not the case. There are very mediocre guys who can't even speak English properly, those who are not academically that good, not physically that good, but they are there in the academies. So there are some things that the instructors will tell you to improve. You should improve upon them and you will see the results. Thank you.